I
So a lot of people have been.
What's going on? Why is it not working? I'm trying to. See if the video is on YouTube. Okay, there we go. All right, let's see the app. Not now. So there is a limitation with, because our app is trying to take photos, there's an issue with, there's no camera in the simulator. So there's just throws an error. I think, is it running? Yeah, camera not available in the simulator. So this is where you run into issues, because this would also not work with Expo Go. Where is it? Hold up. I need to make sure this thing is framed right. So you see all the, okay, yeah, you can see. I know that there's a camera extent package. Let's see, not Expo camera. We want to have a custom camera. It's not this. Let's see. It might be this. Yeah, this package. So this package allows you to add custom stuff. It allows you to add custom like icons and images on top of the camera. And what I'm thinking for our application is when for our application, when a user takes their daily photo, it's gonna have the past day's photo kind of overlapping. So like if you wanted to take like a 365 day like overlapping, like how all the images just go next. I don't know how to say it. Like the images just overlap, whatever. It'd be cool to take a picture and see the last picture, so you can line your face up with whatever it is, or line up the background. But for that, you need to be able to customize the camera. So let's do that. So open up the terminal and add that package. Okay. Setting up permissions. I think we already, Expo, there we go. Yeah, we need to add this. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff you have to add to these plugins. And product name is, that's not gonna work. So this app JSON can be a app JSON, or it can be an app JSON.js file. Let's see. So I want to. I don't know if it'll know what I'm talking about, but we'll see. Let's see. Because let's see, where's that? Yeah, so I don't know if it'll do it, but I think it's supposed to be like this. App config.js. And why you would do that? Yeah, okay. Okay, let's see if it did all the things. So the reason why you would do this is so you can use this product name. How do you do that? I don't know. Let's see. To use let's just ask. Let's undo that. I wanted to use product name. I want to be able to have a dev build and a prod build at the same time. So I think, so you can add like variables and stuff here. Okay, yeah, see, I did that. Yeah, there we go. So if it is dev, all right, it's simulator or development. Yeah, sure. Sure. I don't care about Android, but yeah, see now it's using, we put product name everywhere in here. So app name, so yeah, life loop dev. So this is what's nice about this, if it works, is that when you deploy it to your simulator or your actual physical device, you can have a dev build of your app and a prod build at the same time. So you don't have, like, if you don't have that, you have to like delete the app to have one or the other. So like if you're testing, you'd have to delete the prod build to keep testing, or vice versa. But when they have a different name, then they can exist at the same time. Let's see. I think it's more about the bundle identifier, but the name helps too. If they were the same name, you couldn't really tell which one was which. You'd have to click on it. Let's see, I don't want to delete it, but it might be useful for later. Yeah, so I want to build for let's build for our device, because I think one of the features we want to start messing with is the camera feature, and to do that we need to build for development, which is in this ES.json. Looks like it added a couple of things. Where is it? So it has a development device, distribution, internal, production device, environment production, extends. Let's see. just add that there. I don't think we need another one of these. And extends production. Auto increment is basically all it has. So I'll just put this with production and delete this as well, because I don't want a bunch of these different build things. Yeah, we don't need that one either. Production, simulator, and development. Okay, so now I'm gonna make this a little bigger because it's kind of small. It's built for development. Let me see. This might have sensitive information. Let me switch it up for a second. And so I basically just said use my Apple account. Like I said before, this only works if you have an Apple account. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, this, yeah, sure, whatever. This only works if you have an Apple account. So let's see, it's asking me about my certifications. And so now it's asking what device I want to build for. So I'll show you in a second, but you have to get a certain ID that you can only get when your phone is plugged in and is on iTunes. And yeah, basically, like, the only way to see that is through Apple Music for some reason when you plug your phone in. So I'll show you that in a second. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's building. That's fine. Yeah, let's switch back. That's gonna build out there, and it's gonna build and show you a QR code, and that's what you can scan to put on your actual physical device. But you have to add each device to EAS that you want to be able to download production builds, development builds on. So you can't just like download these EAS builds onto any device. You have to set which devices you have. And let's see, there's only, where is it? Like one place where you can get that ID. It's like super random. So you have to click through here, and it's like it's one of these numbers. Or one of these numbers, I don't know. But when you click through here on your it's one of these numbers. It'll tell you which one it is. I'm not sure which one it is, but that's the only place you'll find it, is randomly there and clicking through the number. So that's how you add your device. But all right, this thing is still building. So one thing that is messed up is this memories page, and I want to add this React material UI timeline. So I don't really know anything about it or anything about that project. So let's just give it to AI to figure that out. Let's go back to Claude Sonnet. Let's see. Oh wait, is it just React? Who knows? I was looking for it as React Native, but it took me here. So we'll try to, let's see. A timeline. What is this? A timeline. And I want to add it to the, let's see. Where's the memories? I don't even know. Let's see. Thanks, Bill. Bill fam, what's up? Thanks for stopping by. Let's see. Where's the screens? Let's see. App Navigator. Yeah, memories. Oh, for some reason it's called home screen. Sure. So we add home screen here. There's a package I want to for the timeline display that I want to add to the home screen. Here are the docs. Let's see if it can figure it out. Oh, what the heck? Switch to auto. I don't know anything about that. It's trying to charge me more money. Oh, okay. So while it's doing that, I'm just gonna put that off to the side or whatever. So there's this QR code. Let me see. So I'm gonna. I don't even know how. Let me see. Is there? There is a way. Let's see. With QuickTime, you can see my phone. Let's see. Oh. Let's see. That got really loud for a second. Okay, yeah, you can see my phone now. Crazy. Now let's see. Let's scan that. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it's installing now. Let me make this a little smaller. And yeah, so like I was saying before, this adds it as life loop dev. That's what we did a second ago, and it's so we can have the app twice if we want. But so let's click in there. We're gonna need to stop the Expo watcher. Okay, that's restarted. Let's see. I gotta log into this. Cool. Let me click in there again. Yeah, I hate how this stuff connects. Let's see if I can copy this URL and paste it in my phone, and it does nothing. Let's see. Let's shake it. Doesn't work either. Connect. Oh, maybe I'll paste it here. This stuff is confused. I'll wait for that for a second. Let's see what happened here. Did it download that package that we had wanted? React Native. Maybe it tried to copy it because it was just a React Native. I mean, it was just a React package. So I don't know if it'll be able to use it because it was saying it was a React Native package. I mean, a React package. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, yeah, so it basically just implemented it itself. Okay, that's cool, I guess. Let's see, I'm gonna tell it, to make the images, let's see, make the images, make the cards on the home screen much smaller, and when clicked, they pop up in a light box. Okay. Since what? I don't know how that got so small. Yeah, I thought the image was like that. All right, let's see. It's doing a bunch of stuff. Let's see, what files did it change? It added a whole light box component. Theme color text, I don't know why it's. Sure, I'll fix that later. Sure, we'll fix all that later. Okay. Oh, there's entry card is different than the compact entry card. Okay. I'm guessing. What? That doesn't look right. It doesn't. It looks like it. Looks like it's like 5. Yeah, so where? So this is running. Oh, what it could be is I could be on the wrong internet. That's probably what it is. What? Nope, I was on the right internet. Okay, that looks a lot better. But it's not using looks better, but the light box doesn't work. You need to use what is it like? This thing. And in the gray area, okay, let's see, fix that. Oh, and actually this, there it goes. All right, now we have it running on my phone. So now the camera feature should work. Allow. All right. Sweet. Oh, you can add more lines. Okay. Save. Okay. And all this should be getting logged. Hold up. I'm gonna have it fix all this stuff too. After fix that. Oh, I hate it when it does that. It tries to run terminal sometimes and will close my terminal. Yeah, and then it opens it up somewhere. I don't even know. Let me try again. Okay, now let me try again. Yeah, because I don't want that BS that it tries to open up, because then you can't see any of the logs. I don't know where its terminal is. I just closed whatever I thought it was. And okay, so it didn't do it for everything. It just did it probably for the ones I gave it. Fix these two. What? Okay, let's see what it's doing. Like, what did it do to fix all these? What's it done? Okay. Oh, it's changing because it's making everything a default import, but I just looked at this thing and it didn't fix this one's. What is that? Export default. Sure. Oh, no, it doesn't need to do that then. Okay, just do that. Because it's exporting the default at the bottom. That's fine. I don't care. Okay. I swear it keeps. Storage. I don't know what it's trying to do. Is missing a default export. Is that what it's missing? Let's see if it'll make this. Export, and it's not exporting a default. That should break it even more. Let's see. Sure. What even imports? Theme provider. Oh. Oh, so it's just getting it from theme provider. shit, I don't even know what file I was in. I am so confused. Whatever. Wait, can I cancel this? Did it? This shit just keeps opening up more and more terminals. Okay. Now reload this screen again. It says you are initializing firebase auth for React Native without providing async storage. Auth state will default to memory persistence and will not persist between sessions. Async storage. Okay. Where's the menu? Expo install. Let's see. Oh, I didn't copy it right. Storage. Okay, and I just let's see what it does. Are we using what it's, oh gosh. Yeah, see, it removed that. Oh, now it's adding it back for some reason. Yeah, I wonder what it's going to do, because it doesn't need this firebase config stuff. Did it download? It did not download any of the React Native stuff. Because let's see. Oh, what the? Sync. It was trying to make queries to things we did not have. Let's see, is it still trying to query stuff? Is it? Yeah, weird. Sure. Yeah, we don't. So we definitely don't want any searching in Node. Anything in the Node modules we don't need to see ever. Oh no, it's using, oh. That file's deleted. So it is using interesting. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that at the moment. So that's fine. Let me look through this stuff. Weird. Yeah, see, it's like safe area. It says it's using a safe area, but now it doesn't show up at all. Let's see. Let's find the header. Oh, did it already fix it? Oh. wasn't paying attention. Reload. What? What just happened? I'm so confused. Yeah, it doesn't understand what I'm saying. It's talking about elevation, but it's behind like the time and date. Let's try again. Let's see. Yeah, I think what it needs to do is there's like an inset. Let me see what it uses. It just sets padding to 60. That worked, but I wanted to use this. Yeah, so there's a inset value. Yeah, let's see if it, okay, so it immediately finds it, gets the thing. Looks like it went ham on it, went way too far. Let's see if it'll fix it. No. Let me see, where is this? Let's see, padding, inset top. It doesn't need to be. Oh, sure. Sure. Then let's go back to the home thing. Let's see. The time as turn back around. Okay, and that's good. Remove the other option. The other. I just want the timeline. Let's see. Okay, it removed those other things. Oh, weird. Oh, that's probably why it was dark, because it was assuming my theme is dark on my phone. I don't think I have that set to dark, but yeah, weird. Every time I click it, it's like different. Okay. That's fine. Okay, keep all that jazz. All right, this is, let's change it up for a second. Let's, let's also, where is this camera? This simulator. Let's see. Let's go over here. Let's see. Yeah, you can't really see me. Let's lift some weights. Let's see. Who would have thought? Okay. So now we're gonna do some curls. Let's see, loosen up a bit, get some movement in. Sitting in a chair for an hour. Let's keep it moving. We're gonna be, if we're gonna be coding all day, we need to at least get something in. These are just 20s. I would say do whatever you can, whatever you got. You can squat babies. We got little babies. They love jumping, being all over the place, so we can squat with them. And just keep it going. So I'm curling, so I'm twisting, and I'm gonna do some hammer curls. Let's see, we're not twisting the weight anymore. We're just curling. Move a little closer. There we go. Oh, that's a lot better. You want to try to keep your elbow tight. Elbows in. Get some good form. And that's all right. Let's now do some presses. Let's see. Let me back up. Let's see. Yeah, just get some presses in. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And don't let it go drop. You gotta stay controlled. Keep your muscles engaged. Don't just throw them on the ground. So that got my biceps rested for a second. All right, and I'm gonna get a couple more of these in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, a couple more hammers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Really got my muscles going. Let's see. Now, how do I get this camera back to where it was? That's close enough. See, now I can see that this is in dark mode. Let's see. We need to be able to see that there's a bunch of days or memories already posted. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it looks like completely different on my phone than on the simulator. Oh, you can't even see. Don't know what that is. Okay. So this Claude code is gonna, or Cursor is gonna use whatever model that it can use for free, and I don't want it to use a free model of something. And I know we were using Droid before, but Droid, oh, I haven't set up Claude code yet. Yeah, I guess we'll set up Claude code. Let's see. Claude code. Let's get that. Let's open up a new terminal so it starts at the root and paste it and run that. Okay, now we can just close that and let's not use, oops. We probably need a new terminal because it might not know that we've installed Claude. Sure, I'll just do it with the regular. I have an account. Yeah, a lot of the stuff is just, you need to have an account. Sign up for this, sign up for that. A lot of coding is just managing different platforms. like Firebase. You'll see Firebase in a little. Enable. Sure. Yes. Okay. All right. So Cloud Code is now active in this repo. It probably, yeah. See, yeah. Let's just run that. It'll probably find the other AI's file. Where'd they put it? I don't know where to put it, but it'll probably find that. Okay. Yeah, allow all edits. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, so now I'm gonna ask it to build something kind of bigger, but something that we need. Some dev. I need a dev tool. I want. Oh, there's this thing called bottom sheet. Let's see. Yeah, React Native bottom sheet. Does React Native have its own process? No, that's by the same guy. Oh, yeah, that's his thing. Let's see. No, I don't want to open up terminal. Let's open it up here. Only need another one. How's it? Okay, so yeah, it's been installing with this stuff. Let's see what happens. Okay, I don't think bottom sheet needs anything special, so I don't think I need to rebuild. Do I have this? I do. Okay, now I'll start telling. Okay. I want a circle dev button like 30 from the top and 30 from the bottom right, and when clicked brings a bottom sheet that has, let's see, what does it have? Helpful information. There to be info about the state. Different settings. Okay, I put it in plan mode, so I think it's gonna build a plan first, and we can approve the plan, and it'll go from there. I just wanted to do it in plan mode because this might be a little bit more complicated of a task. It probably could do it without it, but I'd want to see what it wants to do. Oh, this is different. They updated stuff. What information would you like to see in the bottom sheet? Let's see. Yeah, auth. Yup. So the dev button only appear in developable builds. I want it in all. And only in prod builds for an array of certain users, and then that sounds right. That was cool. I haven't seen that feature yet. I think that's a new feature. Let's see what it wants to do. It's adding a dev tools, a floating semi-transparent circle, 30 from the top, 30 from the right, bottom sheet that has these different things. We already have that. Visibility logic is dev, or if user ID is in the following list. Okay. Yes, auto accept. And while see, I probably should have pushed all of these changes before I had to do this big change, because now I won't know which changes were part of this this AI push. There's the layout. What even is this? Oh. Oh, I see. Okay. What did it change? I wonder if it just added it on to all these. Floating button. Let's see. Let's see. It opens up too much. Where's the bottom? Shoot. Snap points. Back to 90. Okay. So this is signed in. Let's see. Entries 1. Once we sign in, force sync. Let's see. Toggle. Toggle the theme. Platform dev mode. Yep. Okay. Okay, cool. Now, and to be able to create let's see, is there like I think there's an API for profiles. See, that's not what I was thinking, so yeah, sure. Okay, so my idea is I want to be able to create like a bunch of these posts, but currently it's like limited to 1 post a day. So like if I change this, it's just gonna change update today's thing. Yeah, that's some other issue, whatever. But it's only gonna change the current today's memory or whatever. But I want to be able to create memories, whatever these memory things are, to create a bunch of them. So that's where I was getting that, the API. Let's see. So now, now in dev mode, I want to be able to create many memories. Get the images. Let's see, that one. And And let's see where I put number. Use a between 1 and 1,000. Sure. Yeah, let's see what it does. I could explain more, but we'll see what it does. Cloud's pretty good at filling in what I want. Let's see. Now I add the function to generate random memories. I need to check if there's a UID or nanoid. Not really sure what nanoid is, but we'll see. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, when I added the bottom sheet, it messed up. It messed up the bottom screen. Now there's like this weird padding or margin on the bottom of the screens. I'm sure it's on all the screens, but you can't really tell until there's more items. So I'll wait to be able to create more items when this finishes, and then I'll be able to tell it whether or not this issue is on all the screens or not, because this you can't pull down either. Let's see. Oh, so you can see it in the settings, like it's starting to cut the words off way too early. Okay, so it says it's done. Oh, that's what we're doing. Okay, so number of memories generate. Okay. Okay, it just created the same one over and over, use the same image. But yeah, that's fine. I don't care what the image is right now. But as you can see, it does have that padding at the bottom. There's a padding or margin at the bottom of it should be behind the this should be transparent behind the tab navigation. Oh, hello, Peter Wolf. Pull the project desktop browser. Inspect mode. Yeah, see, I haven't used inspect mode very much. Yeah, install Expo, but I haven't used inspect mode very much in React Native. I know that it's like pretty useful and basically the same thing as using it in the browser, but I just have not used it very much. And oh, Yeah, I've never seen an error like this with a red background. That's interesting. Let me see if that's just because it downloaded a new package. Let's see. What even? Let's see. Let's have it reload. And just inspect mode, you'll find it quick. Oh, so it looks like it did fix the scroll behind. So now it's transparent behind the menu items. But I think it's using a package that needs to be rebuilt. What did it, I guess it's Expo blur. I've never seen that. Let's see. Let's see. Expo blur. It's an experimental feature on Android. What? I was assuming it's what well, it seems to be working right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push to GitHub. Let's see. I think all these changes are fine because it's working enough. It's working enough. What do we add? Add a dev menu. Sure, let's just put that. Okay. Now that's a good starting point because I need to have this build again. Yeah, so it needs to be building for my physical device. Yeah, I don't know if I need to hide that information or not, but I will for a second. Yeah, so the build, yeah, it shows like our phone ID. The build, it's only like a megabyte. It used to be like minimum like 50 megabytes. That's what it was. Oh wow, that's what was different about the new version of Expo. I guess is one of the bigger features is that they fixed the build. Thank you, Peter. Let me get this back up. Cool, it failed. Why? Oh, is it because I need to add? Yeah. I'm just gonna copy and paste that in Claude. Let's see. So I got that error building. I know what it's gonna do. It's gonna do the RMRF, the no modules. Sees a mismatch. Something. Yeah, I didn't see Peter was in the chat because I was using my phone to work with the photo stuff, but he did mention a good point about it being weird that I'm not using full screen. I normally only use full screen, but it'd be kind of hard to follow, and yeah, no, unless interesting, you're not really seeing the app as much, because I usually do have stuff full screen, but then you have to swipe back and forth to see, from seeing the code to seeing the phone, the mobile app. Oh, weird. It's doing a commit? Is it really? Oh, snap. That's weird. I have not seen that. It didn't ask me about the commit first. It did ask me about pushing. Interesting. Weird. Yeah, what ifs? I wonder if this can break out. Terminal. I'm just building on a different screen. Okay, so hopefully this build goes better. this build sucked. Of course, it just keeps coming up. Okay, so that's probably good. Yeah, it does it on both of them. Oh, I turned off Metro Boom. Yeah, I remember I had something like this before where it had this reddish pink background stuff. And yeah, it's because it needs to be built. I don't think it has to include like whatever package this is in the iOS files, and it needs a build for that. So currently just running the build. It usually takes a long time. I guess not a long time. It's about 10 minutes ish for a build, but yeah, 10-ish minutes for a build. Then we'll see what is fixed. So while that's doing that, let's see. I like how these look. Oh, you can't see. Let's see. So I like how there's a bunch of them. Let's see on here. Let's add like 4. Okay. Weird. He uses the same image. So where's the dev? Dev tools. It's kind of trying to say it's random, but yeah, it's definitely not random. Where's the console at? Different. What is it? How can I not find it? What? Oh, it's for. Man, I thought random times 1,000. Weird. It's like the math.random gives a decimal, and then this makes it to a regular number, and then this. I want to see what that number is because I don't. Let's see. Oh. That's why it's saying. Did I even look at how this thing was working? Because where's the browser? Yeah, it's using this number. What? Oh. Did it? Because I think it's saying this is the size. What the? Yeah, I don't know how this works. We're gonna live with that same picture over forever. Yeah, it takes so long to build. Let's see. So we do need to work on signing in. And I think there's a low-hanging fruit issue with adding an image a second time. Yeah, let's ask about that. So, what the? I don't know where that went. So let's bring Claude back up, and I change the, what is it, the current day's image, and updated. Gives me an error, and the error is, yeah, whatever this stuff is. Oops. All right, now this is done. So, oh, he can't see. Take my phone, download that. Okay, I can close that terminal, and it should be just updating this. Now, okay, cool. Now in here, it doesn't have that error anymore. Oh, it has like a list of, let's see if it usually generates a bunch of stuff. Nope. Oh, I guess that could be useful. Oh, you didn't see that? There you go. Yeah, so let's have it refresh. Let's take another picture. Yeah, that's a great one. Sweet. Let's see if it's the text. No. Now I'm getting this issue. I'm just copy and pasting it back to Claude. And see what it does. Okay. Now we got it saved. Okay. Sweet beans. Okay, that update worked. Let's see if update a new file works. Okay, so you can change it. It looks like it's still using the old one for the image preview. Okay. What is it? Okay. Now let's see. Let's see if this works on a physical device. What the? Yo, that's weird. It showed up on my computer, but not on my phone. Is it because, do I have this disturb thing? No. Yeah, that's crazy. It's sending the notifications to my computer. Okay, so that looks like it's working now too. cool. Let's okay, so now we have the add entry stuff working again. Oops. Fix upsert entry. Oh, let me try saving this and try saving it again. Okay, never mind. Yeah, that's something we can fix later. The thumbnail does not update, but in the meantime, fix. Okay. Sync that up. And this is not going to have the right build. I'm going to build this offline so it fixes the footer. But that's enough for today. Thanks for joining in. I'll be back tomorrow and we're going to be building more. I think we need to fix the bugs, some bugs we have. I can already see that in the bottom there's some like little bit of margin or padding, because you can see that the image doesn't go all the way to the bottom. It does the blur thing, but it doesn't go all the way behind, and you can see where memories is being cut off. It should go all the way behind the numbers, behind the time. That's something that needs to be fixed. It looks like this, the memories thing works. We probably should have some like some notification thing center, or like alternative screen for when you, for after you submit something. Or I don't know. It just seems kind of basic. Maybe some sort of feed. Maybe integrate with friends and other people with the app. I don't know. We'll figure that out tomorrow. But right now, we are done. And we actually, well, hold up. Before we end, we need to talk about what we added. Because we added a ton of stuff. Like, first off, I got this working on the phone. It wasn't working on my phone before, so we got that working. We added a whole debug screen that like allows you to generate a bunch of pictures. Like a bunch of little memory things. So now we got a ton. It looks like it puts it on different days too. It's like random days, but we updated the footer. Now we got that new was that a new glass style background with the tab navigation. That looks cool. Yeah, and that's basically it. Everything's kind of working smooth. There's not many bugs right now, but what there is, we'll fix. Thank you for tuning in. Adios.